Yo! What is that? What is that? What the fuck is that? Hey, hold on, bro. Hey, big bro. Hey, he can't climb underneath that. He can't climb underneath.
Now, I tell you what, I like you, and I want you. Now, we can do this the easy way, or we can do it the hard way.
Why you looking at me like that?
Okay, I see you choosing the hard way.
Have you guys ever wanted to experience your childhood again? Going down the slides, playing on the swings? Oh, that's too bad because this game wants to fucking kill me. And what is up, beautiful people? And today we are going to be playing Slide in the Woods. Now, as the game says, I'm going down the slides in the woods. Why are we doing that? I don't know. But I ain't gonna hold you guys for too long. Let's go ahead and get straight into the action. And hey, I'll see you guys in there. Peace. Woo. Okay, so we around the neighborhood. We got a distinct forest around us, but you know we ain't gonna talk about that. I wouldn't even go in these type of slides. Like imagine in the middle of nowhere, you just see a thing of slides. You know it's some paranormal shit happening. 311, but hey, let's go down the slide, right? Whee! And that was it. Okay, that was it. We beat the game, guys. All right, see you guys to the next video. And hey, let me stop playing. Let me stop playing. Guess we keep going down the slide, and we basically try to see what happens. Like I'm pretty sure it's like some PT shit. The more we do it, the more paranormal it gets. Whee! That's it. Oh, what the fuck happened? What's going on? What's going on out here? Hold on now. Wait a minute. Slide it down one more time. Whee! Okay, let me stop. Whoa, what the fuck happened? Did I just get knocked out? Oh shit, it's nighttime now. I can't. Huh? What the fuck? Oh no. Give me that beamer. Yeah, we got that beamer, boy. Here, put it on. I lost flashlight. Luckily, it still has some battery. Bitch, we need all the battery. Alright, so why are we still going down the slide? Why are we still going down the slide? Like, who does this? Like, who does this? Like, there's no way we're gonna go down this slide. Okay, we're going down the slide. I'm not saying we, cause something gonna happen. Jump scare. No? Alright, fucking, I'm gonna do it again. I'm going down the slide. Whee! Oh, hell no. Oh nah, we gotta go. We're gonna keep going down the slide. We don't learn our lesson. Nigga, did you not hear all them fucking steps? Yes. You know, bring us back. Whee! Yay, who is that up there? Is he beating on the slide? Hey buddy, quit. I need you to quit beating on my slide. Sir, I'm gonna need you to stop that. Sir. What are you doing? He just grabbing his legs, he caressing it. Oh! Let's finesse that boy. Hey, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna ride down that slide. Whee! Whoa, what the fuck? Why is it going? Hold on, wasn't this long at first? Hold on, bro, get me out of here. The flashlight finna die. My flashlight just died. We're cooked. Where am I? Wait, this is a tunnel. Crawl meter. Hold and crawl. Release space to move forward. Hold and release space while moving forward to crawl. Okay, let's crawl. Are we out of here? What is this? We in the middle of nowhere. This is a pyramid? Oh, do we gotta climb up? We're so cooked, chat. We're so fucking cooked. We're cooked. Look, we're gonna go up here, boopity boop, bobbity bink. Nothing's gonna happen to us. Like we don't get scared of these games. These games don't scare us. What the fuck, bitch? That nigga got flopped, boy. Look, oh, that boy got beamed, boy. Hey, couldn't be me though. Couldn't be me. So he got flopped from over there. You know how strong you gotta be to toss a 200-pound man all the way down the steps like that? You're like, gang, you a strong ass dude. Yo, open that door. We're fucked. We're fucked. We're gonna die. Remove the chain. We're gonna remove the first chain. Remove the chain. Bah! Alright. This chain. Bah! Alright, third one. Remove this chain. Bah! And what is this? What am I doing? Am I pressing the button? Feed them? What do you mean feed? Who am I feeding? Hold on, what's down there? What's down there? Hold on. Let's feed them. Let's feed them. Let's see what happens. Alright, we're gonna bring it down there. Alright, you gonna eat that? You good? You should be good for the next year. Like that meat, that's that premium meat, my boy. I got that Arby's meat. Yo! What is that? What is that? What the fuck is that? Hey, hold on, bro. Hey, big bro. Hey, I ain't even mean to talk shit. Big bro. Here, close that door. Close the door. He can't climb underneath that. He can't climb underneath. Hey, why he looking at me like that? Look, we in the corner. You can't get me from all the way over here. Wait, you better stop it! Ah! Come on! No! Get away! Get away, you fucking bitch! Bro, rectangle ass head. Quit playing with your boy. There you go. Alright, so he's gonna come from that way. Alright, so he's gonna walk in here. So what do I do? Do I gotta... Okay, something in here. Okay, cool. I gotta go this way. Okay, we out of there. We out of there. We out of there. Is he chasing us? Is he chasing us? I gotta look back. No, we're not looking back. We're not looking back. We're not looking back. Slide! Slide! Ooh! He's on our ass! 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 He's chasing us! We gotta go! We gotta go! We gotta go! Burners! Burners! Slide down! Weave! Yeah, sir! Yes, sir! And we doing that slide cancel on their ass! He not catching up with us! He not catching up with us! Jump! Shit! He sounds so close. He sounds so close. He sounds so close. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. We out of there. We out of there. This the last slide. This gotta be the last slide. Gotta be the last slide. We won. We won. We did this shit. We done. We did it. Wait, why the flash? Come on. No. Come on. No. Did we survive? Did we win? We won. We did it, guys. We did it. This that infinite slide. We're good. Put the controller down. We're good. We're not. Is that a Mario pipe? Hold on now. That Mario pipe go crazy. Are we back? What the fuck? It was never there? So we was high the whole time. That makes sense. And alright, beautiful people, that's the end of the video, man. Hey, that was a quick little indie game I just wanted to come back to the channel with. You know, I really did enjoy this game. It was really fun, especially starting right back, man. It was a pretty good game. If you guys did enjoy this video, go ahead and make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. You know, you don't gotta subscribe, you know what I mean. I'm just, you know, just like the video, you know, show a little support that you actually enjoyed my video. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace out.